Welcome back my channel. Take a deep breath and slowly let it out. Let your body sink into stillness as your ears become the center of attention. This is your sanctuary. This is your moment. A place where gentle, deep ear cleaning sounds wash away the noise of the world and invite you into a space of calm, comfort, and complete relaxation. The experience begins with soft, rhythmic strokes, delicate cotton swabs grazing the outer ear. The sound is subtle yet hypnotic, like a breeze rustling through leaves. Left ear, a slight scratch, controlled and comforting. Right ear, a circular brushing sound, slow and even, as if time itself is pausing just for you. Your breathing slows. Your eyelids grow heavier. These sounds are not just cleansing, they're healing. Each motion is filled with care and intention, designed to ease your mind and body into perfect balance. The gentle scraping begins now, deeper, more focused. But never too harsh. It's a satisfying sensation, the kind that pulls your awareness inward. Stress begins to dissolve as tiny tools move through your ears with purpose. Left side, a soft metal scoop glides, slow and precise. Right side, the tip of a brush dances in light circles. Every movement creates soothing vibrations that ripple across your scalp and down your spine. Tingles rise. Thoughts fade. Only the sound remains. Mic brushing joins in, adding texture, waves of whispery friction that mimic the feeling of fingers running through soft fabric. You are no longer just a listener, you're part of the experience. The binaural rhythm, alternating left and right, creates a sensation of floating. Your brain relaxes. Your body follows. A deeper suction sound begins, low, controlled, almost like a distant breath being drawn. It pulls not just from your ear, but from your heart, your mind. It's as if anxiety is being vacuumed away, replaced by serenity. Gentle tapping now, soft but crisp, echoing lightly in both ears. A steady rhythm that calms the nervous system and grounds your energy. The session continues with even slower, more delicate sounds. A soft puff of air, like a whisper of wind, brushes against the microphone. Another brushing stroke, careful, thoughtful, relaxing. You feel weightless. You feel present. As deeper tools reach into the imaginary folds of your ear canal, you sense a release. Your body unclenches. Your chest loosens. It's not just physical, it's emotional. The world outside doesn't matter. Inside, you are being cared for. Completely. Quietly. Tapping fades into a soft patter, like raindrops on a window at night. Brushing returns, slower now, like a lullaby in sound form. You drift closer to sleep, closer to peace. The sounds continue like a melody for your soul, pulling you into a cocoon of restfulness. In this moment, nothing else exists, no worries, no tasks, no noise. Just you, the sound, and the gentle rhythm of deep ear cleaning. These aren't just noises, they are pathways to sleep, to calm, to restoration. Stay here. Let go. Let the sound carry you. Let your mind soften and your body rest. You are safe. You are whole. You are ready to fall into the deepest, most soothing sleep you've ever known. Close your eyes. Let the world fade away for a moment. There's no stress here, no obligations, no pressure. Just you, your breath, and the deeply soothing sounds that are about to begin. This is more than just deep ear cleaning, it's an experience, a sanctuary of sound designed to gently escort you into peace, relaxation, and sleep. The first sounds are delicate. Soft brushing begins, light and feathery, like someone carefully dusting the edge of a silk curtain. The microphone picks up every subtle movement. Left ear, a gentle swoosh, barely there, as a cotton swab glides softly over the outer lobe. Right ear, an even, circular brushing that flows in rhythm with your breath. It's quiet, but intensely focused. Already, your shoulders are relaxing. Your breathing deepens. The brush strokes become slower, more intentional. Each movement is designed to trigger tingles, those gentle waves of sensation that begin at the top of your scalp and slide down your spine, leaving traces.